Greetings, students. Today we're going to discuss a topic that is of utmost importance in the academic world. It's something that can make or break your academic career. We're going to talk about plagiarism. Plagiarism, in simple terms, is the act of using someone else's work or ideas without giving them due credit. It's a form of intellectual theft and is considered a serious offense in academia. Let's start with the first type of plagiarism, which is self-plagiarism. This happens when you reuse your own previously submitted work in a new assignment, without acknowledging that you have used it before. For example, if you submit a paper you wrote in the past for a new class, that's self-plagiarism. Remember, even if it's your work, you must cite it if you have used it before. Next, we have mosaic plagiarism. This is when you borrow phrases from a source without using quotation marks, or you find synonyms for the author's language while keeping to the same general structure and meaning of the original. For instance, if you're writing an essay about climate change and you take a sentence from a source and change a few words, that's mosaic plagiarism. Then we have accidental plagiarism. This occurs when a person neglects to cite their sources, or misquotes their sources, or unintentionally paraphrases a source by using similar words, groups of words, and/or sentence structure without attribution. For example, if you forget to include a citation for a piece of information you included in your paper, that's accidental plagiarism. Let's move on to verbatim plagiarism, which is copying and pasting from a source without citation. This is the most blatant form of plagiarism. If you copy a paragraph from a book or an article and paste it into your paper without any citation, you're committing verbatim plagiarism. 3 other types of plagiarism may occur that are not as common as the previous 5. The first one is source-based plagiarism. It is using a source without proper citation, or altering the original text without indicating changes. For example, paraphrasing a paragraph from a book and not giving credit to the original author. The second one is complete plagiarism. Copying an entire work verbatim and presenting it as one's own. For example, submitting someone else's essay or research paper as your own. The third type is aggregate plagiarism, which means combining multiple sources or works into one without appropriate citations. Example: writing a report by piecing together paragraphs from various articles without citing any of the original sources. Plagiarism comes in various forms, and each is equally problematic. Recognizing these different types will guide you in steering clear of them in the future. So, if you are feeling swamped or eager to learn more about plagiarism prevention, reach out to our expert writers at writinguniverse.com.